Hey, I've got a simple, quick and dirty tutorial for you to get Touch Portal running over your network, so you can control stuff like OBS remotely. The setup is dead simple. I'm going to assume that you have the Touch Portal Pro version and that you're using at least version 30 of OBS. I'm also going to assume that you're on Windows for your OBS machine. It doesn't matter what you're running Touch Portal on, but I'm assuming you've seen the settings menu before. I'm going to move relatively quickly, so make use of the bookmarks. Here's the basic setup. Computer A has OBS on it. Computer B is a laptop or some other machine that has Touch Portal running on it, and you've got a way to access it remotely. I recommend Rustdesk. Find someone else for a tutorial on that. Oh, and everything has to be on the same network, by the way. Cool, let's get into it. First, this is Computer A running OBS. You're going to click Tools, WebSocket Server Settings. You're going to then click Show Connect Info, and it's going to pop up in this panel. I've censored mine, but in yours you'll see some connection info. Copy this down. Notepad, use cheeseburger wrapper, whatever. Next, open your command prompt by pressing Windows and R. Then type cmd. Then type ipconfig. Press enter. The IP you need for the next step is highlighted here. Write it down somewhere. Now, on machine B, in Touch Portal, click the Settings tab, then OBS, then put in the IP address that you wrote down earlier. Make sure the port matches, and put in the password. Click Save, and basically you're done. You can do whatever you want. Let me just bring back OBS for you. From here, you can now change scenes to something's broken, because it's probably going to be broken at some point. You can do whatever you want. Thanks for watching. If you want more tutorials on this kind of thing, please just let me know. And if you get the opportunity, catch me live on Tuesdays on Twitch, link in the description.